like a 2.
You woke up as a 2.
Yeah. Baby, at a 10, you a 2.
How are you only a 2?
You is a 2.
And I'm a fucking 2.
I'ma have to act a fool. Rap a 2.
You need to go to beauty school, 'cause you only a 2.
Lock hammer, big bammer, big booty on her. Goddamn her, MC Hammer.
And she from Oakland, that booty poking like a pea.
Like a letter S&P. I like 'em big, Mickey D's, Big Mac, and you a 2.
A 2.
I crush niggas like candy. Niggas is sweet like candy. Niggas ain't hard, but they might be hard candy. When this bing bing, it ain't no ring ring. When this bring bring hit you king king 10 times over, that's a ding ding round over. Your breath singed my eyebrows. Whenever I'm reading this nigga bars, eyebrows. Oh shit! Look. GameCube A and B.
Oh.
Me and you is A and B. B, C, and A is about to win and you is A to me. Look, hit him with it. Transitive prop. Transitive prop, nigga, use a prop like a doll on some strings. I'm controlling you a lot. What you about to say? Oh, I read it for you. Oh, what you about to say? Oh, I read it for you. It's where y'all repeat it. When in the videos they like repeat it. Oh, yo, what you about to say? Yo, I read it for you. What you about to say? Yeah, I read it for you. Yeah. Top, nigga, this ain't no written. Nigga, I'm a big dog. I ain't kidding. Look. Hey. Be careful. Don't get eaten. Fuck, nigga. That's the alphabet. I know the alpha. I'm the alpha, and I bet that you gonna get. I'm the alpha, and I bet that you gonna get. Hit with that shit when I split niggas, giggity split. Yeah, nigga, you never heard a nigga slur his words. I got nouns, I got rhymes, and I got hella verbs. I put an ad in front of that motherfucker, and now I got an adverb. This nigga say hella shit, and then he got an ad word. This nigga got on baby blue, don't make me have to baby you. Put your thumb in your mouth and I treat you like a baby do. Scooby Dooby Dooby Doo, Shaggy, he got a poopy poo, nigga.
Oh, hey, yo, what's up?
Oh, what's good, bro?
What are y'all doing?
Bro, just try it.
And now, wise words from Romathy.
Driving is like walking. Don't cook bacon naked. Don't cut your fingernails and toenails on the same day. If it do what it do, and it be what it be, then it is what it is. Never ask any questions about Candace.
Who's Candace?
Candace dick fit in your mouth. Spare the rod, spoil the child.
Spread your cheeks when you get in the shower.
When you get in the shower? When? No!
That's what it's saying, right?
No! Washing between your cheeks, especially when you take a shower.
Alright, so today we up in here at Westfield trying to find some Asolax because I have not had any luck trying to find some.
What the fuck is Asolax?
It's a thing.
Like what?
It's like a type of thing. It comes in like blueberry and raspberry, sometimes orange.
Nigga, what the fuck?
Either way, we gonna try to find some today. Let's see how it go.
Excuse me. Sorry. Do you guys sell Asolax?
Sorry, what?
Asolax?
No, we don't.
Okay. I feel like y'all would have Asolax. Alright, thank you. Excuse me. Do you know if you guys sell Asolax? Or like if it's in the lotions or anything?
What is it exactly?
Asolax?
We wouldn't have that. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, I'm sorry.
No problem. Thank you. Yeah. Do y'all have the new brand? It's called Asolax?
Say it again?
It's called Asolax?
No.
No?
What, did you see it on our website?
Yeah, I saw it
might be
online.
Online only, but we don't have it here.
Okay.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Oh, I dare you to go into Old Navy and say, do y'all got any new Navy?
Let's go, nigga. Hello. Do you guys have any new Navy?
I'm sorry?
Like new Navy. I know this is Old Navy, but like any new Navy.
Like the brand?
Yeah. Like new Navy?
No.
No? Oh, okay. Cool, thank you. Yeah. Do you guys have any new Navy?
A what?
You guys have any new Navy?
New Navy?
Yeah.
What is
Like
that?
I know this Old Navy. You have like any new Navy?
No.
Why are you laughing?
No, I thought you were joking. Sorry.
Why would I be joking?
What do you mean by Old Navy and New Navy?
Like any new Navy, like.
What type of clothes are you looking for?
Never mind, bro. He over here laughing at me like I'm joking. Hello. Hello. I just had a question. Do you guys have the Asolax coffee?
The what?
Like Asolax?
No. No.
You don't have it?
No.
Okay, never mind.
You is kind of cute though.
Do y'all have Asolax?
Do I have what?
Asolax? No? You don't know what Asolax is?
I've never heard of it.
You got blueberry Asolax?
Y'all got Burberry but no Asolax?
I'm not sure what that one is. Do you have a picture of it?
Nah, I don't. Alright, thank you.
Bro, what are y'all doing? Bro, just come try it.
Black. Oh! I don't fuck with that. They need to chill out. They're taking a lap. Nigga, they're taking a lap. They're taking a lap. Nigga. They're taking a lap. Oh, fuck. What the fuck's wrong with these birds?